walang magluloko kung walang napapaloko.
Yung papaloko kasi they are able to make use of it anyway. So, nakalokohan ko sila mga people. So, may non-marriage contract na ibibigay. Okay, so tuloy ang negosyo nila. Pag nahuli sila pareho, walang magtutuan. Hindi kilala ng isa yung isa, hindi niya naaalala, yung isa naman, walang magtitistigo. So, we will never succeed against them. Hindi natin. So, tuloy sila ng ligaya nila, para pare-pareho silang mali. I don't know kung paano nang nangyayari sa kanila. Sabi ko na lang dyan, bahala si Batman. No? Bahala si Batman. Nilalit si Batman sa kanila, however, in the process, kumbaga tayo dahil it's our job, it's our work here in the consulate because each time we have to explain, we have to tell people it's not a fake, it's not a real contract, it's a fake, etc. We have to tell the police, we have to tell the employers to ask, it's a fake, it's a fake, it's a fake. Okay? Good if they listen, if they do something about it, that's by catching them for committing the crime by apprehending them, committing a crime of immorality in the kingdom, and then eventually sending them home. That should be good. Or the employers should also discipline them. Sometimes the employers don't discipline them at all. Instead, they turn a blind eye to what they're doing. Okay? So they want to change them anyway. It's very costly to take another employee in their stead. So, they're tolerated. Akala nila itong puwasan na they get away with it. Behind us, these people, the employers, the friends, the colleagues, the patriots, our host people here, start disrespecting us because we ourselves are playing with ourselves. Okay? We don't respect each other anymore. Our people don't respect each other anymore. So we behind our backs. Behind our backs, we say, Pilipinas, para yung mga pamilya yung mga sila ng buhay. Sila din mismo, in a way, start disrespecting us. We even suspect that some of them really disrespect our women by committing aggressive acts against them because they have this belief that if we ourselves don't respect our people, why should they? Right? Ang problema. Habang naglilipan at dumarami yung negosyo ng Lawrence and Malanda, to thank both of you for coming over to this counseling this afternoon and doing your marriage right. And coming over here, you have added to the example of marriages that were done right. Okay, like coming over to the counseling. Perhaps, for example, maybe some other people will also learn and do it right someday instead. We need you. We need your example, okay, so that others will also be convinced. We hope that from you, some more peers, some more people are living here who do it right. Kasi iba naman dyan, they just don't know what to do. Kaya they don't do it right. Pero meron talaga dyan, alam nila mali dahil they are already barred from getting into another relationship by virtue of a subsisting marriage. But then they just close their eyes and do what is wrong. In love daw. I don't know. In love daw kasi. Hindi ko na alam yung okay? Now secondly, that door is open because your marriage is a voluntary act on your part. You to say we don't impose upon you, it's your own volition that you came here this afternoon. No one forced you to do so. That means to say therefore that because it is of your own wanting at any moment of the marriage strike, if you feel like it, or if you recall from the deepest recesses of your hearts and in your minds, a reason that exists and subsists that should convince you or should be reason enough for you to back out from this marriage, by all means you can walk away. That works.
That is the reason.
You can walk away. If you don't want to walk away, as I say here, you can run away. I will not even ask for an explanation. If you wish to explain, I will allow you to explain, but still I wouldn't hold you up. Okay? That's what my concern. We don't wish you to be miserable. We wish you to be happy for the rest of your lives. If there is that reason that if you just insist or keep on getting married, but in fact that reason that exists should bar you from proceeding, you might as well back out so that you can be happy for the rest of your life. We also don't wish you or want you to make us a party to your marriage which has the makings of love from the very beginning. Alam niyo na pala may rasong papalpak kung hindi dapat tuloy, tinuloy niyo pa, dinaman niyo pa kami. Diba? Walang ganun na. So those are the two reasons. Okay? So please, take note of that. I like that words. Never forget the door behind you as we go along. Now I will talk to your Ninang Dolores as Ninang Alex and Delia are listening because this is her first time here. I would wish to impress on her the importance of her role this afternoon. As I talk to her and to the spouses Pangilinan, okay, please consider this as a short moment that I'm giving to you. Okay, as a chance that I'm giving to you for you to reconsider and rethink your decision to get married. Okay, if you wish, in the process, you can look at each other, you can hold hands, one hand, two hands. It's okay with me, look at each other. Okay, from the windows of your soul, these are your eyes. Look on those days when you were most happy and when you were sad. Look on those moments when you were sweetest to each other in your most bitter quarrels. And later on, after I shall have talked to the three of them, you can, if you still would wish to remain. Okay? Yan ang problema sa Pinoy. Kung pinapa-holding hands mo, ang tagal. Ano ba naman itong buhay na ito? Pag hindi mo pinapa-holding hands, ayaw. Pag hindi mo pinapa-holding hands ng holding hands. Pagkatapos pinapa-holding hands mo, ayaw. Ang problema sa Pinoy. Tayo sikat eh. No? Hindi tayo, we cannot really be definite about our decisions, our statements, our actions. Lagi tayo, itong kala. Okay, papok, supapok. Pero mamamatay na tayo na sa buto. Diba? Hindi tayo, anong klaseng kultura yun eh. Tapos parang tao, tama sinasabi mo, galit sa'yo. Kasi para kang kung sino, yabang mo, di ba? Pero tayo sinasabi mo, alam mo na naman. Kanya tayo. Now, alam na ito ni Alex at ni Rodelia, Dolores, alam na nila yan. Because they've been here for the first time. I don't know kung bakit. Bumalik na 6 and 7, yun ang medyo later on ko nalalaman. College ko na yata nalaman. Private niya yata. Tapos college ko na nalalaman ko yung 6 and 7. ESP, extrasensory perception, women's intuition daw yun. Saka yung 7, yung uncommon sense. Hindi ko alam yun. Hanggang ngayon, wala akong ganun eh.
Hindi siya nakawin na that 7 eh.
Ha?
Uncommon sense.
Uncommon sense. Pero hindi na ako importante yun. First time na lang kasi here to watch them get married, listen to them exchange marital vows, okay, feel the warmth of their love for each other, maybe smell the perfume that they're wearing, okay, smell the fact that they have taken a bath for this wedding or something, and maybe later on partake of the food that we serve in a gathering, and we can say, what a service, indeed delicious. Something like that. This will make the event very memorable to you. So that someday when someone comes forth from out of nowhere with the question the fact of their marriage, the three of you and along with the spouses Pangilinan, can step forward, come forth and say, in case someone questions the fact of marriage, no, you cannot question the fact of marriage anymore because I was there, I was with the spouse of Pangilinan, the three of us were witnesses, we saw it happen before us. So ganun po yun. Kung may